Your vehicle may have a rear-view camera that can help you see what's behind your vehicle and help you maneuver when you're backing up or parallel parking. Let me show you how it works. When you shift your car into reverse, the rear-view camera will display an image of what's directly behind your vehicle on your Sync 3 touchscreen or on your 4.2-inch screen here. Fixed guidelines show you the actual path your car is going in while it's in reverse and going in a straight line. Active guidelines show you the path you intend your car to go when in reverse based on steering wheel position, which can be helpful for when you're backing into a parking space. And a center guideline helps if you're trying to line up your vehicle with something like a trailer. In addition to the guidelines, you'll see red, yellow, and green lines, or zones, on your screen. The objects in the red zone are closest to your vehicle, and the objects in the green zone are farthest away. You'll know if an object is getting closer to your vehicle if it moves from green to yellow and finally to red, which will also give an audible chime to alert you. You may also have an enhanced park aid that appears in the upper right corner of the display screen. The system will provide an image of your vehicle and the sensor zones highlighted in green, yellow, and red when it detects an object in the coverage area. There's also a manual zoom feature that allows you to get a closer view of an object behind your vehicle. For your Sync 3 touchscreen, just press the plus symbol on the camera screen here. As a side note, the zoomed image keeps the bumper in view to provide a reference. To zoom back out, press the minus symbol. The camera display will remain on your console screen until you've shifted out of reverse or are driving 5 miles per hour or faster. To zoom on the 4.2-inch screen, press the OK button to zoom in or out. Again, the camera display will remain on until you've shifted out of reverse or are driving 5 miles per hour or faster. You can also turn the rear camera delay off. If your camera displays in the 4.2-inch center screen, press the Settings button here, then use the arrows below the screen and scroll to Parking, then Rear View Camera, and press OK to turn delay on or off. When turned on, the delay feature allows the camera to remain on the screen until you've shifted out of reverse or are driving 5 miles per hour or faster. If your rear view camera displays on your Sync 3 touchscreen, select Settings on your touchscreen, Vehicle, Camera Settings, then Rear Camera Delay on or off. Here you can also turn Enhanced Park Aid off if equipped. Keep in mind, if your camera lens gets dirty or your reverse lights aren't working properly, you may not get a clear image. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.